Alright, what's up guys? We should be live again. London is about to open, so we're back again, of course. We're on the streak, so we gotta keep that going. I think Trader Cage is still live as well, so maybe he will join us later, but right now I'm by myself. Yeah, he's still live on his own channel. Right. Yeah, 1 minute until New York opens. Today has been an interesting day so far. Let me put on some music real quick because I forgot that yesterday as well. Um, okay, let's go. Um, when London opened, they took out Asia High immediately. So it wasn't an SMT, no, it was not. But when London opened, it took out Asia and just started moving down. In one move, there's no pullback on the higher time frames. So what that means for me is until we're gonna break above this London high, it's down until proven otherwise. We can still make a lower high from here followed with a lower low. But if we're gonna start rejecting this low, because that is your London low, and maybe we have an SMT already. Let me have a look. Yeah, look at that, that's an SMT. So if we're gonna break structure and we're holding our lows and taking liquidity from the highs, for example, we're gonna take this high and come back down again, leaving open this low, then we can maybe expect some bullish price action. So that would be a scenario as well, but expected order flow right now is down. So we'll have to wait for New York to make a decision, because there's a small liquidity pool over here with PM from last week Friday. Yeah. So yeah, there is enough room on the downside, and it's now down until proven otherwise on the higher time frames, because yeah, this is your structure. It's wrong tool. This is your structure. This can be your lower high. It's not confirmed yet until we're gonna break below this low. And if we're gonna start protecting the lows, as I said before, like this, maybe make another SMT, break some local structure, I can be interested in looking for longs, but that's up to New York. 5 minute, we already took some structure here, but that's internal 5-minute structure. Yeah, 15-minute drop off, discussable. So you already started taking the highs, so I'm interested in longing if we're gonna hold the lows. Absolutely, yeah. We had some news as well. I don't know how late that was. That was at 1:30. We had some news. Oh, that's this dump. Okay, yeah, that's just neutral right now. Okay, well, New York opens pretty bearish, so let's see if it wants to take those lows. It's possible. But we have to keep sharp for this this local picture, because this is a nice SMT. Yeah, it can get interesting if we're gonna build something local. Yeah, maybe I'm down.
Definitely come chat with us. And I do want to mention something, because
I think Trading Cage is done.
trading partner, we are trying to build a little.
I think Trading Cage will join us soon, guys. He has had a good stream, I see. I fucking love to see that, if guys are interacting with us. It was the same as yesterday, so Okay, took the low.
then I would be able to talk.
It is an SMT until now. Wow, okay, we took that as well. Yeah, that pretty much means we're gonna follow the trend I just talked about, because if we're gonna, yeah, absolutely. Last manipulation here just before New York opened, and this dump, yeah, it's one straight line down. Let's see if price is gonna take PM low. That's your draw on liquidity right now, or this local liquidity was enough, but yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, all your local liquidity gone. Next liquidity is this liquidity pool with PM low. So is this still an SMT? Absolutely it is. Okay. Let me put an alert on the S for when it breaks that low, so I know immediately when the SMT is gone. Yep. Okay. Let me share the stream on X real quick. Oh, oops. Okay, there we go. That's that. Okay. When am I interested in longs? Yeah, that would be for price to make a valid pullback on the 1-2 minute-ish. Right here, come back, leave open the low, come over that high again, and then search for an entry. Because there has been a little confirmation, we can look for liquidity on the upside, but this can also just be your last manipulation for that dump down, right? So this doesn't mean anything yet until our local picture is confirmed. Because as I said before, we're bearish. Your order flow is bearish until we're gonna break that London high. But if the local picture gives us some confirmations like this, take out all your local sell side, make a local SMT, start leaving open your lows. It's just unfortunate and ugly for this one. We have this massive pull up and then the massive dump down. And yeah, massive is a big word, but it's just one line. So yeah, if some internal structure was here, it would be cleaner, because then you had some reference points of liquidity. It's ready to take liquidity on the highs, because now you don't know anything. This is nothing. This is just a dump down. The interesting points are this high, and your London high. And yes, with this high you took out some liquidity, but it's just an internal liquidity pool. I mean, the most interesting liquidity high you left open. Of course, there's a lot of stop losses and orders there. Oh, Cage is calling. What is up, Cage?
What's up, Chartsmith? I've just I wanted my stream to end on New York Open, but man, I'm on my peak. I had 5 people watching. Was busy. So you know how it goes.
It was a good stream, I reckon.
Bro, I had 20 viewers in total joining, so it was great, man. I advised them to also join the Discord.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yesterday there were 3 people as well that joined from our streams, I think.
Yeah,
But they're gone as well.
I think they're bots, man.
Yeah, it can be. But it was.
Or there's a glitch with our Discord.
Can be as well, because this morning they joined another one. Don't see that person as well in the
No,
Discord.
I know. I talked about Wilm with this as well, but
yeah.
When we try to mention them as well in the Discord, then they're just not there. So they're really just bots, but I think it's weird as well.
Yeah, that's a guy from your stream in my chat, I think. So what's up? Welcome to the stream. Great to see you here as well.
Yeah, brother, he was just in my stream. Correct. What's up, my man? The name I cannot pronounce. I'm
it's a bit hard
here on the mic again, switching streams, of course. And thank you for being here, bro. Thank you that you wanted to take the time to join this stream as well. That means you're
much
interested. That means you're ready to learn.
Absolutely. What were you looking at just now? Nasdaq or?
Yeah, quickly. I was looking at everything, man. Some forex pairs. I was looking at Bitcoin.
Cool.
Just
good stream.
But yeah, Nasdaq. I think you've already went over the analysis on Nasdaq, though.
Yeah. It's
for me, it's down until proven otherwise.
Exactly. If we had some nice structure in this pull down, it would be different. But this.
We need to watch out because on the higher time frame we are trading below our end walk.
Yeah, from this gap here, absolutely. Yesterday we broke below.
Yep.
We held it the whole day, and then at the end of the day ends with Asia. It broke
going
below.
To be resistance. It's going to be resistance.
Absolutely.
That's for sure. And we are just really bearish right now. We are.
Yeah, for me it is. Gaining London high on the higher time frame, because there's this right now you made locally can be interesting if we're gonna leave open the lows, but for your high confluence and drawn liquidity to all this session highs here, it's definitely London high.
100%. Look at what London did. London opened, took Asia, straight up made new lows. Yep. So we want to protect London high, and if we do, then we're bearish. If we break London high, we can look for longs and maybe flip this end walk again.
Yeah, but you have this small little liquidity pool with PM, and below this is of course there's enough room on the downside as well. So you have to be on the lookout here.
I think it's actually great what we just did. That I do the pre-New York stream.
Yeah.
And when it's New York, then I'm gonna end the stream, and then we're going over in your stream.
Absolutely.
I think that's a great switch, because right now, our brother with the weird name, with the weird text is in his name, then he joins as well. And I mean, he's interested in our content, which I understand, because we analyze in an interesting way, and
it's really fresh for a lot of people. The guy yesterday in the stream as well, he said, I like to watch your technical analysis because it's different. It's different as the smart money concept. It's different than trendline traders. It's in as you say, it's a lot of price action and just the technical way of analyzing the chart.
This is pure price action, guys. Have you tweeted this stream on Twitter yet?
I just tweeted it. Yeah.
Okay, let me retweet it. What do you think about my thumbnail? It's crazy, right?
Yeah, I saw it.
Wilm absolutely,
Wilm
absolutely cooked on that.
Yeah, it stands out,
bro,
so
and
it's great.
It straight away made results, because a lot of people were more joining.
Bro, I had the same with mine. Same story. When I changed my thumbnail, I never had a thumbnail for my live stream. You did, but when when Wilm made this for me, immediately a lot more viewers, random people joining in, because it's clickable.
It's so powerful, 100%. The guy with the weird name, bruv, what is your experience in trading, man? How long have you been trading? What are you trading? What's the reason for you being here today? Gathering some information because you asked me about the strategy if I would make a YouTube video about it, but I told you I cannot just give 3-4 years with blood, sweat, and tears away free on YouTube. So
yeah.
What's the reason you're being here? Are you trying to learn a strategy, fine-tune your strategy? If you're still here, of course. Yeah, also, like, how many likes on that stream? I don't know. A lot.
Oh, probably
9?
a lot, yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Well, what's our plan here? Yeah, it's looking, yeah, absolutely looking for shorts here, but I don't think it's gonna give
No
anything.
valid structure. Nope,
No,
never, bruv.
no.
It's just a few times a month, max 2 times. They're gonna give a setup for us
clean entry.
on New York.
Yeah.
Because we. Oh, bro, I want to go for what I was looking at yesterday, actually.
Ah, Tesla, beautiful. This is looking. It took that high again, then it dumped down. Rejected this small block here. Sort of. Just this whole block, of course. Well, if Tesla is not gonna break below this low and just hold it, and we keep on taking the highs, we're not coming down
True,
to this
but
gap yet.
we have a little market maker signal though. The deviation.
Yeah, this local range. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it can get interesting with Tesla. It can cook something.
Can you put me on the there's not that much viewers yet. Can you put me on the screen? I want to show you what I was looking at yesterday.
Yeah.
I think it can be interesting as well for you as myself because I was there live.
Is a bit glitch, so maybe it doesn't work and I have to restart Discord, but try it.
Oh yeah, I need to press share screen, of course. Or else they're all not nothing will happen.
Oh yeah, it just works normally.
Okay. Yeah, basically what I was looking at, of course, you had this this 1 hour break possibly above, or not even 1 hour, 30-minute break, which got me thinking, of course, the expectancy of the order flow could be this higher low for then another higher high.
Yeah.
But that will never happen if you do not manage to break internally. And also I looked at the 4 hour and look at how ugly these candles are. This is just then your lower high for new lower lows, right?
Yeah.
Because the highest time frame counts. So
absolutely.
With that in mind, I was watching two things. I was watching down here because it hit my long point of interest, which of course is
yeah, this was
this
yesterday,
box,
right?
the origin. Yeah, this is yesterday.
Yeah, okay.
This was during lunch.
Yeah, okay.
Or after lunch. We've made a low, we've made a high. I was waiting. Then we started making a new low, and then we made a new high from there. So that would mean for me, if we manage to protect this low, create some sort of SMT, we can trade to this point.
Absolutely.
But we had the SMT down here.
Yeah.
But no entry for me.
No.
This was not a valid pullback, and it was a bit scary for me to take this right here
Oh yeah.
without the valid pullback, or else I would have shot it because I was live right there.
Yeah.
But then again, it was also scary because you had this lower high, and then you had this, so it was also kind of feeling like a compression. So
Could be.
wasn't.
Yeah.
But if we had this valid pullback towards the downside, then I would have placed an order here. Yeah. But that SMT on the lows.
It's almost picture perfect.
But no break there, unfortunately.
But how was
and then
your
I
higher
was
time
watching
frame? Right here.
down.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then it's a bit tricky. With yeah.
But
I mean, you're
we hit the
drawing
long point of
liquidity. Yeah. Exactly.
we hit the long point of interest in possibly this trend, right? So
Yeah.
because we kept opening our lows, I was watching that.
Yeah.
But of course, we got up, and this is our pull towards new lows. So if we never manage to break that high, then we're just gonna make new lows.
Yeah.
So I was watching this. This was our 5-minute pullback,
Yeah.
and we've actually hunted that. So I was prepared to take a short here if it came.
Yeah.
But well, nothing came
Push
here.
through. Yeah.
Push through, so it's fine. But then we created an SMT with this high on the S,
Oh wow.
which I thought was crazy. I knew I had to be aggressive as hell.
Yeah.
So I placed an order in at the first inverse gap, which was right here,
Never a test back. Wow.
and never tested back, and it just ran.
Yeah. Sick
There we
price
go.
action, but pretty aggressive. Even
Bro,
with that long down there, the only opportunity you had was that gap you drew in at the bottom with the ugly pullback.
I know it was
Really volatile.
fast.
Huh?
Yeah, that was basically what I was looking at. So no, no play, but great again to see we're on the right side. So.
Yeah, a lot of times there's just that small little thing missing, and on a, as we talked about before, on a eval it's a bit different, but on our fundeds right now you're not gonna like that long play down there. Yeah, there are confluences, you can take the liquidity on the highs, even locally it's enough for your risk to reward, but you want that small little extra to make it picture perfect. Otherwise you're not gonna place that order there.
100%.
Okay. Bit of a compression right now on in Q. Oh, yeah, you have music on as well. Oops. So.
Oh yeah,
that was going.
Yeah, still music from the stream just now. The brother that was watching did subscribe, legend.
Beautiful.
As well on you as mine. That's
that
what we like to see.
The SMT. Okay, so.
Those are supporters.
Absolutely.
That SMT down there, I couldn't give less about it.
No, but I had it in my chart.
It's so funny. I saw everyone on Twitter. You know, when we at 25 March 25th,
Yeah.
all the way up there, everyone started to get so bullish again, so bullish, and look at what's
Oh
happening.
yeah. Oh
Still
yeah. Yeah.
following, still following our order flow.
Let me have a quick look on the March of 25. What did we? Oh yeah, we took a long. I thought maybe we even shorted on that day, but that wasn't the case.
No, on the 26th we almost shorted.
Yeah, I know.
If we start breaking highs from this point, then could be interesting.
Absolutely. Nice little SMT. It would have to build a lot for us to take a long here. Patience, patience, patience.
The shorts are not pumping that much
No,
lately.
it's the views are 3 times less than normal. Normally I would average around 600 views, but my last shorts didn't even reach 200.
I have the same, bruv. They're
Yeah,
testing
maybe
us.
maybe just algorithm shit. I mean, if you keep posting, the views will get back, obviously, but yeah, you can expect price to take out this liquidity, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. I mean, all your local sell side is gone, so maybe it did enough.
Could be, yeah.
It will give us a signal if it is enough. The market always does. If it gives us an entry, that's the second question, but that we will see that when it happens.
Yep.
For everybody watching the stream, if you have some questions about the chart, the stock, crypto, doesn't matter. Leave behind the chat, and then we can discuss this market together, or even Nasdaq, of course.
It's interesting if we start breaking this 1 minute. It
Yeah,
would be valid.
this pullback, yeah, I know.
It's definitely valid.
It's a valid pullback on a 1 minute, yeah.
And if we
Oh, what are we doing on the yes with that low? Okay, that's over here. Okay. Let me put the two of them next to each other. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's your London high. Okay, but this is an SMT. No, I'll have to put that in my chart. that's relevant for sure. Okay.
My English was rough today.
Yeah.
Now I'm warmed up okay, but it was insane. I was stuttering a lot.
It's the same yesterday. I couldn't find the words for anything. Until now, it's fine. Okay. Just doing what we're supposed to do. I think tonight can be interesting.
Tonight is always interesting.
Almost every time, yeah. The last couple of Friday nights were pretty bad. It's Friday, right? Yeah, it is. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no! That didn't sound. That didn't sound really good.
It's okay, it's okay.
No water over the desk or anything. Great intro for the new viewers. The oh. Immediately scared off. Two people came in, you threw your shit all over your desk and they're gone.
I mean, it was quiet either way, so
Yeah, oh yeah, that was better.
so they didn't hear anything, so their volume goes all the way up, and then
Yeah, boom.
the action mic falls, and they're gone.
Action mic.
I don't even know if like America stuff has action.
No,
Not even sure if it's worldwide.
No, I don't even know if it's in Germany even. I want to know right now.
It's Europe. Europe.
Yeah, it is.
12
Okay.
different countries.
Oh
yeah.
damn. Oh yeah. Oh, early 2000s it was in Belgium already, and then after that, pretty quickly Germany as well. Ah, okay. Yeah, but it is close around the Netherlands. It's Netherlands, Belgium, Germany. Luxembourg, France, yeah, Poland, all that countries. Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
There's crypto coin I've never seen. No, that's not true. This is such a huge bump. So insane.
How is it called?
TUT. It's #1 trending on CoinMarketCap now.
TUT.
USDT.
TUT.
TUT.
Oh, oh my. Why? This is just marketing or a viral post or something. This is bullshit.
Could be, sure.
Yeah, I mean it was dead before. These percentages are crazy, man. In just a matter of 30 minutes, you could earn thousands of dollars. Crazy stuff.
If you like gambling.
Yeah, exactly. I'm curious if you have unlimited money, say you can put in $1,000 in every shitcoin there is, like not every shitcoin, but coins like these, and then when some of them pump, if you're gonna make money overall. I'm curious if that's because if they pump like crazy. So this one will make up for 200 other coins because it's a 200x. And of course you have to sell at the right time, blah blah blah. But
Market makers create the opportunities, brother.
yeah, for day trading, of course. But I'm just thinking about it.
And if you have unlimited money and you're trying to manipulate price, then you're a market maker. So.
Yeah, but it's not what I'm trying to say. It's just what the profit split would be if you invest in thousands of those meme coins because they're enough and just put $1,000 in them. And if one blows up, if that makes up for the rest. I'm just curious what the statistics are on those. There's probably someone that tested it, but
depends on how early you went into it, etc, etc.
oh, of course, of course. It depends on a lot of stuff and your exit as well. That's what I said. It's always relative, but well, that's your first draw on liquidity gone. If you can put on your screen share, I'm gonna go to the toilet real quick, then you can take over.
Sure.
Beautiful. Okay, there we go. BRB.
All right. And Q freaking down until proven otherwise. Nothing to trade here. Let's see what is our valid structure though. Yeah, it's just this manipulation high. If you manage to hold this high, even come up, expectation order flow would still be another lower low. down until proven otherwise is what we say. Fortunately, this wasn't a valid pullback for us. If it was, swept it. If we held this low, could look for shorts, possible inverses, but all not there. It's all done on the 30th, 15 seconds, all those algorithms, buying and selling. Now we have a huge drop. Check a few interesting stocks. Yeah, crazy. Just luring people into longs then dumping. Oh wow. This is acceleration for you. 800 ticks already from New York Open. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. The Chartsmith is on the toilet right now, so he'll be right back. And in the meantime, me, Trader Cage, is taking over. And if there's any questions about a few stocks, crypto even, I can do, it's for sure. Or just the Nasdaq, share your perspective with us. Let's see. For now, nothing interesting on the Nasdaq going on. It's down until proven otherwise. We're just grabbing these liquidity lows. And this would be my sweet spot for a possible correction towards the upside. Ethereum's bleeding and it's so crazy.
Hello?
Ooh. Oh, never mind. Damn.
Alright. How's crypto looking?
Huh.
Interesting.
If Nasdaq is dumping like heck, then crypto is as well.
Yeah, I knew crypto was dumping, but are there any opportunities?
Maybe tonight, but
Yeah, okay.
right now you shouldn't be touching it.
Okay.
No.
What a follow through. Damn. Nice. Let's see, let's mark the next liquidity point. Probably this position as well.
Yeah, I'm
Or
not
this
longing
orange.
until it hits my POI.
Yeah, it will be above this low for a higher time frame trend, of course. You want to hold that structure for your upside. Touch that. Join the last hold. Doesn't really matter. Is there some sort of for everybody watching right now. If you have some questions about the market, come chat with us. We can discuss it together. Together is always better than alone, so maybe we can learn something from each other. Don't be scared, otherwise I'm gonna call Cheyenne, and then you really should be scared.
He got scared because he left.
Oh, absolutely. Always the same. If you say something to them and they're not ready, it's over.
They're gone.
Yeah. Last
time I got the people chatting in my chat after I said, if you have some balls, then
yeah. If you have some balls, come chat. Otherwise, you can leave as well. Then we don't need you here. You have nothing with a person that doesn't want to learn. Or maybe wants to teach someone else something, because it's not we know everything. Absolutely not. You can always learn from somebody else. So if you have some balls, leave behind the chat and we'll discuss the market. Not in a negative way, of course. Yes, a lot of softies these days. A lot of softies.
If you're balls deep into spots, then this discussion is gonna be negative for you. That's just the market. Oh, my heart. Oh.
How's that?
Okay.
Some steak?
Oh, bro. Glad I waited for some opportunities on some alts. It's crazy.
For long term?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's bleeding.
Yeah, we know that, but you're glad you took out your money and want to wait for the next opportunity.
That also.
Yeah, you brought it like you brought it like there's something going on right now. So I was curious if you maybe had already bought some spot or whatever.
Nope. No. Oh.
Ooh, BTC. What is this, mate? Oh. Uitschieten. I can get a bit weird after analyzing the whole day. It's just what happens. If you watch TGR, this is nothing.
Macro is over, so
yeah, then
I mean, there's fucking nothing. Oh,
no.
There's nothing to see. Swearing is allowed. But
right,
I almost talked on my stream. I almost talked about bombs and wars. Then I thought by myself,
"Oh no!
Oh no!
Yeah, you have to watch
Oh no! That cannot happen." Okay, it might be better for you
to end this stream. Ooh. Okay, control. This is what happens if you chart all day. Don't do it. Don't even start with fucking trading. You get crazy, man. Well, if you want to have some fun, you have to start trading, because you get things like this.
End it already, bruv.
No, definitely not. This is entertainment for you.
This is Trader Cage for you.
Yes. This is the real Trader Cage.
Oh.
Oh,
please end it.
Just like a group of kids.
Please end it.
No, there's someone enjoying this. Oh, that's you, of course. Oops.
Yeah, that's Trader Cage enjoying this.
I wanted to look at Bitcoin, but
let's not start doing that on stream. We might be here a while.
Oh, okay. So that's 5 unsubs for you. Bitcoin, it's in demand. Can go up from here, can continue down. Would have to build something. So that's your answer on Bitcoin. Just don't buy in right here. There's no confirmation we can continue up from here. There's so many people saying, oh, Bitcoin is going above 90k again. Fucking whole Twitter is full with it. I see nothing else. Well, there's no confirmation yet, so watch out. Oh. What's your point of interest for Bitcoin? This demand as well, and then just build something locally, or what?
I can hear someone didn't check my streams.
I wasn't there. No, absolutely not. That's why I'm asking right now. Normally I'm with there in your streams, but
for
today
your
I wasn't.
local trend, it just hit small POI.
Okay.
4 hours still pointing up, of course, until proven otherwise. But on the high time frame, 97k, and well, you know, there's range deviations for the high time frame. Extreme lick and your third deviation.
Okay. So a lot higher.
Higher.
Yeah, 97k, bruv.
No.
I think you mean 87k.
No, 79k.
Oh. Yeah, you said 97, so that's a bit.
No, those are targets for later if you get this local
Yeah.
confirmation. Oh.
Okay. Well, that's clear. Not gonna chart crypto right now. Not in the mood. Yeah, I mean this stream is done. It's waiting for the next macro. Nobody wants to talk with us. We're lonely, so then it's over. I'm gonna record some videos or something. For everybody that tuned in, thank you. And for everybody that's watching this back, you're a legend. There's no Discord link in the chat yet. There will be. If you want to join it, completely free. We can talk about the markets and other stuff, about life, whatever you want to talk about. It's just a community for you and us to discuss the markets and everything around that. So we're looking forward to seeing you there, and for now, until the next one, ciao.